What's up, guys? It's Diego Techie Life. Yeah, so you saw that message there. We got we're gonna try to fix it by replacing this camera that I have here in my package. So stand by.
Welcome to Techie Life.
So here's the emblem here. We're going to be removing this and replacing it with one of these. This is the camera from a Ford Mustang 2017. I don't know if it's going to work yet. Part number is FR3T-19G490-AE. And it has the same prongs here. The same number of prongs. The only thing it has is the sort of foam stuff around there, but I think dimensionally everything looks the same on my camera. So I have already taken this part already, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this back out here, and I'm gonna set y'all down because I want to do this with one hand. So hold on. We got it taken apart here. We had to use 9/32s. 30 seconds here socket thingy, and it comes apart. The one thing I did have to break off was the screw here, or not the screw but the clips behind the Ford emblem. So normally it has like little hooks on there. Had to break it off, and I've already done it before and I actually glued it back on and it stayed fine. I'll show you what type of glue I use. So I'm gonna take it apart and show you out the camera here. Alright, so what I'm gonna be taking off is the camera itself here. You can use a Torx bit, but I use a flathead because the tool is much more accessible here. And you're gonna pop up this little latch here. Take it off, and then I'm actually gonna take this off and then pop it out of the socket. So hold on. Alright, so it mounted fine. And it mounts there fine too as well. So looks like dimensionally it's gonna fit. I'm just gonna make sure the power is on before we start putting everything all together. So we're about to go ahead and jump on in here. Let's see if the back of the camera is gonna work here. Put the keys on here. That's the power. See here. And they're looking good so far. I noticed that this is new from the Mustang, or this is new because I didn't see this before. So one thing I gotta find out is if the lines here are gonna be aligned. So, and I don't think there's a zoom option for this. They're looking good now, so this is way better than it not working. So I will let y'all know. I'll keep y'all posted on what happens with it. Till then, guys, laters. Take your life out.